Welcome back to All Things Beautiful, your ultimate destination for everything beauty. Here, elegance meets innovation as we uncover the secrets to enhancing your natural charm. From skincare routines to makeup tutorials, this is where confidence and radiance begin. Have you ever been convinced that the secret to flawless skin is hidden inside the most expensive, most talked about products? What if I told you the real answer was something completely unexpected, something simpler? Our story starts with Mia. For years, she battled dull, tired-looking skin. No matter which brand she tried or how many serums she layered, nothing seemed to make a difference. She was a loyal follower of every skincare trend, scrolling through countless videos, yet her complexion remained stubbornly the same. She felt stuck in a cycle of hope and disappointment. One night, after an exhausting day, Mia collapsed into bed, completely forgetting to wash her face. The next morning, a wave of guilt hit her as she rushed to the bathroom. Peering into the mirror, her heart sank. Her skin looked even worse, dry, congested, and blotchy. With a sigh, she reached for her cleanser. But just then, her grandmother, who was visiting from out of town, walked in. Her grandmother looked at her with a knowing smile and said, "My dear, your skin looks so tired." But it's not because it needs more, it's because it needs less. Mia was confused. "Less?" she asked, her voice filled with doubt. Her grandmother simply nodded and handed her a small, unassuming bottle of cleansing oil she had made herself from natural ingredients. "Use this first," she instructed gently, "then just wash with warm water. Let your skin breathe." Though skeptical, Mia was also curious. She dispensed the oil into her palm and began massaging it onto her face. The warmth felt incredible as it effortlessly melted away the day's makeup and grime. When she rinsed it off, she was stunned. Her skin felt smoother and softer than it had in ages. She followed up with a simple, water-based cleanser and noticed something remarkable: a soft, healthy glow was radiating from her skin. As the weeks went by, Mia's skin transformed. She had fewer breakouts, a more even tone, and a natural radiance she had never achieved with her countless expensive products. The real twist came when she finally decided to read the ingredient lists on her old skincare. She was shocked to find they were packed with harsh chemicals that had been stripping her skin as natural protective barrier all along. The lesson was profound. It wasn't about having a 10-step routine. It was about being intentional with each step. Double cleansing, a simple two-step process, had accomplished what hundreds of dollars worth of products couldn't. Mia's story is a beautiful reminder that sometimes the best approach to beauty is to stop overcomplicating it. Sometimes less truly is more. What's a skincare habit that completely changed your skin for the better? I'd love to hear your story, so share it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to All Things Beautiful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.